scary.
Nagawa na yan. Isang tao lang yan.
What happened?
Are we sure that these are ADB employees?
Kaya,
Isa lang yan. Nandito yung polo.
Later we will ask them to take off the sacks, okay? To reveal their identities.
I think you need to see an orthopedic surgeon. After this, you need to see a surgeon, huh? Your bones are... Hey!
Dito nga ako.
You need to... Wait, wait, wait. Wait, wait.